What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. We're putting a lift kit on the truck today and I'm super excited about it. So without further ado, let's get it on the rack. Alright, so we're about to get this thing put on the lift to start installing this lift kit. Luckily, we have a little shop dog here, but nice little packaging, some blocks. So, see how she does. So, where are we at? 30.
This torsion keys turned up and
all the way up. That's how you lift the truck, guys. We're letting the truck down right now and installing our rear blocks. In with the new shock.
say that. Like they're too big.
Hey. All right.
It's gone now.
So, gotta grind that bolt off from the e-brake bracket because it interferes with the shock. That's what we just did. All right, so we got our rear shocks in. Now we're gonna move to the front. Well, easy. Don't have a puller? Just use a pipe wrench.
And a jack.
No, I'm just kidding, guys. Do not try this at home. You might die. So I'm gonna back up. Okay, new torsion keys in. Basically that slides out and pops back. Are you gonna go back up with that? Oh my gosh, she's going with the pipe wrench again.
Old school.
At least make sure you have life insurance before you do this. I'd recommend going to O'Reilly's and getting a puller tool. The front shock's in. Leave these wires on them while you put them in, but it's going to help you a whole lot. So, all right, there's the final product. Overall, it lifted it up a whole inch, and the torsion keys are not even maxed out yet. No, our stock ones were, so yeah. Nice little. So we're gonna go test drive it and see what the difference is in ride quality. Let's see how she rides. All right, so there's a little bump right here. The camera's gonna shake around a lot because it is literally just sitting on a tripod on my passenger seat right now. But we're gonna take it on a little road test. So far, I mean, just the biggest difference that I've noticed so far is riding down the road, all the little cracks and humps you see in the road. Before I felt all that, and the difference is now is it just soaks all of that up. I mean, it's literally so smoother than it was before. I didn't buy this kit necessarily just for the quality of ride. It is off-road suspension, so you do have that, but it is good. I mean, I think it's way better than the stock Chevrolet. I think it's way better than the stock shocks. Absolutely, it's an upgrade. Now, when you hit potholes and big speed bumps and stuff like that, you still feel it, but not as bad. It's really not bad. So that's the biggest thing, is I wanted to kind of get a better ride quality than before. I definitely achieved that, and I'm definitely happy with it. Like I said, it's not as bad as it was before. It's fine. Honestly, it's fine. If I wanted perfect riding quality shocks, then I'd get the Bilstein 5000s. If you're going for ride quality, the best of the best, get Bilstein 5000s. If you're going for a budget shock that's going to do good and it's going to give you the lift that you want to fit some bigger tires on your truck, the rough country, I'm satisfied with this leveling kit. That feels way better. Sits a whole inch higher. I can definitely tell getting up in it. So yeah. So that's going to conclude it for today's video. I'm definitely enjoying the leveling kit on the truck. I'm definitely going to have so much fun with it once I get my tires in, and then a lot more stuff coming in soon. And so yeah, guys, if you're in the market for a lift kit, definitely recommend this one. It's low budget, $200, can't beat that. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video.